How to make shredded chicken with an Instant Pot. In this video, I'm going to use a 6-quart Instant Pot, but you can do the same process with any other size. Start out by getting your Instant Pot ready as if you were cooking anything else, and then we're going to get our chicken placed in the pot. I have found with a 6-quart, you can cook between 5 and 6 pounds of chicken breast at one time. Go ahead and start out by just placing your chicken in the pot, and then you'll want to cover the chicken in water. You want it fully covered, but do not go above the PC max line. Go ahead and get your lid on and put in the sealing position at high pressure and keep warm. Cook for 30 minutes, and once the 30 minutes are complete, let it do a 10-minute natural release, just like you see here. After 10 minutes, go ahead and release any remaining pressure, being careful to not burn yourself with the steam, and if it spritz like you see here, don't worry, you didn't do anything wrong. Go ahead and cover it with a clean dish rag, and that will work as an arrestor. Once your safety lock has fallen down and you can safely open the lid, go ahead and remove the lid. And this is what you are left with. Does not look pretty because it was not cooked with direct heat and there's no seasoning in it. But what you have here is fully cooked chicken that, as you are about to witness, shreds very easily. So go ahead and, very careful, that water is still hot, with tongs, go ahead and remove your chicken and just leave it out to rest. You want to give it at least a couple minute rest. Look how easy that falls apart. I didn't even do that on purpose. So after a couple of minutes, come back and you can take the same tongs and just gently squeeze like you see me doing, and it shreds with absolute ease. So go ahead and get everything shredded and place it into a container for storage, or place it directly into your recipe that you need it for. Whatever. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this educational nibble. If you don't mind, please check out my other full episodes, and if you don't mind, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. I thank you so much.